Do you want to become an Unreal Engine master? Or maybe you're still confused about how this software works. Well, whether you are experienced with Unreal or you're just starting out, this is the right place for you, as in this video, I'm going to reveal you 4 simple steps to grow your Unreal Engine knowledge exponentially in even 1 month. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is going to be obviously getting the basics. Even if you have some familiarity with the engine, it's important to strengthen your knowledge about this awesome tool. In fact, Unreal Engine has so many features that you don't even need to learn them all. You just need those essential knowledge to create something beautiful. To start getting handy with Unreal, I would absolutely recommend to learn as much as you can from YouTube. Here you can find anything to get your journey started. From learning how to move around, to understanding blueprints, creating wonderful landscapes, or intricate game mechanics. Here is everything you need to become an Unreal Engine master, as there's many different content creators all sharing their personal knowledge, experience, and workflow, which can help you developing your own learning method and workflow. YouTube is also the ideal platform for learning, as it facilitates interaction with viewers, using comments to ask questions and engage with the community. To learn the absolute basics of Unreal, I would recommend you to follow this 5-hour video from Unreal Sensei, as it is packed with quality Unreal Engine knowledge and step-by-step tutorials. Also, after the video, you will have made your first Unreal Engine environment, which is quite impressive. I actually started learning Unreal from this specific video myself 2 years ago, but it's still a very good option. The next step on our journey to becoming an Unreal Engine master is going to be exploring the software. After getting the basics of Unreal, you'll have to explore all the different things this tool can do and decide on which you'd like to focus. Do you want to create a AAA video game? Or maybe you want to make a breathtaking environment? All you need is time, effort, and knowing where to search the valuable learning. You could develop your coding and problem-solving skills by following tutorials on YouTube. Or maybe you could consult Unreal Engine's official documentation, which is obviously very detailed and reliable, provides you with everything you need, from the basics to the advanced tools and techniques with detailed explanations, clear images, and even tutorial videos. That will efficiently guide you on implementing new features, trying different workflows, and exploring different parts of the engine. Also, the documentation is continuously updated and reviewed from Unreal Engine's team, which makes it so reliable and understandable. The Unreal Engine documentation is also searchable and easy to navigate, which will help you find the answer to your questions in no time. To learn Unreal Engine fast, you could even download entire projects to study how they're made. I would heartily recommend this last method, as there's so many free projects made from Epic Games team that are perfect for UE learning. I personally learned way more things by studying the latest game animation sample project than watching videos online. Also, by studying existing projects, you'll have the possibility to navigate them freely, saving you countless time on researching the right video. Now that you know how things work, it's important you join some kind of community. Getting inside of a community of like-minded people sharing a common goal is essential to grow your experience and knowledge. Let's say you just completed your project and you'd like to see if someone likes it, or maybe someone could give you some advice on how to improve. Here's where dev communities come and help. Places like Unreal Engine's forum, Epic Games game dev community, and Unreal Engine's official Reddit channel are perfect options for you, as they provide a vast and active community that will help you on your journey. While engaging with the Unreal Engine community, you can not only improve your skills, but also find new opportunities and build a strong network. Therefore, it's crucial to not miss this step. At this point, your knowledge is going to be already increasing exponentially, and is at this stage that you start building a great experience and project portfolio. A quality portfolio is essential to make your work known and to really open you many doors of opportunity and experience. To start building your portfolio, you have primarily 2 ways. The first one is building your own creative projects. Just think about a video game idea or maybe some environment you want to create and just start making it. Stick to your idea and you'll be astonished by the results. The other way you can create a quality portfolio is by participating at game jams. Game jams are events where you have to create a video game in a given amount of time, usually based on a particular genre or theme. You can participate at this kind of events alone or with a group of people you do or do not know, making this competitions a great way to find new friends or maybe enlarge your network. The biggest website that hosts game jams right now is itch.io, where new events are hosted daily. Even Unreal Engine hosts his annual Epic Mega Jam, where you can win awesome prizes like in Powerful PC. View game jams as the ultimate test of your ability, but don't forget to have fun during this kind of experience and to always try to learn something new from your mates. Now, you have a complete roadmap on how to learn the basics of Unreal and become a game dev master. Whether you're serious about this, or you just like being part of something. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Also make sure to leave a comment to let me know how are you learning Unreal Engine. And as a reward for watching the whole video, here's a bonus tip. To learn Unreal Engine fast, you just have to be consistent, try to learn something new every day, and the rest will come. This said, see you in the next video. Bye.